you have to decide what's your goal and what is the reason for which you want your day to be utilized full. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am Kushi and this is Crop Doctor. And today we are gonna talk about how you can make your whole day productive. So I will be sharing some points which you have to follow, and that will assure that you will have a track of your whole day. So the first point is gonna be have a notebook with you which contains the information of the timing that you are spending in doing something. It could just be a normal diary, but it depends on how much time you want to contribute to that particular goal. And the second thing is that which should be actually the priority, that you should have a fixed goal. So if you have to make your day productive and do something for a particular goal, then definitely you will be able to focus it more on it. So you have to decide what's your goal and what is the reason for which you want your day to be utilized uh, fully. And so the third point is gonna be that keep track of your timing. So here I would like to tell you that किसी भी टाइम पे आप अगर कुछ काम कर रहे हो, you have to mention it there in your diary that I have mentioned in the first point. आपका पॉइंट रहेगा कि आप कितने बजे से कितने बजे आपने किस काम को कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. That will before explaining the next point, I would like to elaborate the third point, and that is कि अगर आपका कोई टाइमिंग रहेगा, जैसे सपोज आपने 2 बजे से 3 बजे तक आप वॉक पे गए, ठीक है, आपका लंच ब्रेक वाला जो वॉक होता है उस पर, एंड देन यू विल मेंशन इट कि 2 बजे यू विल मेंशन कि आई लाइक 2 बजे का टाइम लिख दो एंड यू कैन गो आउट, एंड वेन एवर यू कम बैक you will have to write कि it's 3 p.m. now and I have done this work, and then you will work your particular task from 3:01 and then continue and then finish that. For example, you finished it at 4:30, then you have to mention कि 4:30 it's 4:30 and I have been doing this thing. अब इससे क्या होगा कि आपका टाइमिंग आपको पता है कि आप इससे 1 घंटे पहले आपने किसी चीज़ में आपने अपना टाइम दिया है which was not for that particular goal, it was not contributing towards that. So आप इस केस में आपके दिमाग में रहेगा कि आपका जो ब्रेक का टाइमिंग है या कुछ भी टाइमिंग है, it has been utilized already. So now you have this time for your particular goal. So the fifth point is gonna be you have to check the previous day's record, what you've been doing, and then you have to आपको कभी भी रिजिड नहीं होना है कि ये पर्टिकुलर चीज़ मैं इतने बजे करता हूँ और करती हूँ तो मैं इतने बजे ही करूँगी. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उससे एक प्रेशर फील होता है विच इज़ नेगेटिव. या इट कुड बी constructive for many people, but mostly it goes destructing way. So आप उसको rigid नहीं रखोगे. कभी ऐसा टाइमिंग आया कि you have to do some other work, then it will be flexible. So that's gonna work. So these were the 5 points which I mentioned, which will be helpful for making your day productive and utilize the whole day for the particular goal that you have. So do subscribe to the channel for further things like that. I will be keep sharing. So